Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how go-kart events are conducted with my experience over it. So let's get started. To enter into the main event, you need to pass through virtual rounds. In virtual rounds, you need to present your prototype, you need to present your design, you need to show them your calculations, what all you worked out, and you need to impress the judges. Even you need to face the questions asked by the judges and pass through it. After passing through virtual rounds, you may get a cash prize which may help you in manufacturing. Starting with the design, select your driver first and ask him to sit down in this position and check out his comfort zone. With the help of his comfort zone, start designing your prototype. Designing includes calculations for transmission, for braking, for steering. You are lucky that you don't have calculations for suspension in go-kart. Otherwise, it will show you the hell. Use software like SolidWorks and ANSYS. These are the best software running out. In SolidWorks, you can develop your prototype, and in ANSYS, you can test your prototype. We made 3 prototypes out of which we selected one. I suggest you to make a PVC structure so that you can understand and analyze how your design is. For chassis, use AISI 1018. It is cheap and best mild steel provided in the market. Go for it. Braking, we used TVS Apache front disc with rear caliper, and we used Maruti Suzuki's Gypsy's master cylinder with 2 outlets. For transmission, we used centrifugal clutch. I suggest go for that. If you go for CVT, continuous variable transmission, it will increase your weight and cost also. Gear ratio was 1:4. We used ready-made plastic bumpers for our go-kart. We manufactured our go-kart at CP Racing Puddupet. Let's get into the specifications of engine. We used Honda GX 160 OVH engine with air-cooled and 4-stroke. It is 163cc and compression ratio is 9:1. Net power 4.8 horsepower at the rate 3600 rpm and net torque 10.3 Newton meter at the rate 2500 rpm. The main event. In this main event, you need to pass through 2 technical inspections, TI1 and TI2. In this technical inspections, they'll check your go-kart with reference to the rule book, whether your go-kart satisfies all the rules in the rules book, whether your go-kart can sustain the pressure, whether your go-kart can sustain the drop test, everything. And if there are any mistakes, they'll ask you to correct in technical inspection too and ask you to attempt it. If you are failed in technical inspection, you are not allowed in the event. After technical inspections, you need to pass through all these events, especially braking test.
క్లచ్ పుడరా ఎక్సలెటర్ పుడరా.
Endurance round. Endurance round is a round where your go-kart should run continuously for 2 hours, non-stop, without any break and without any damage. In this round, your go-kart efficiency is tested. And everyone thinks it's a race. It is not a race. Please remember this. It's not a race. It's the round where it checks the ability of your go-kart.